Javanese tiger or Panthera tigrisindaica is a subspecies of tiger endemic to Java Island. This tiger was declared extinct around the 1980s, due to hunting and the development of agricultural land which drastically reduced the habitat of this animal. Javanese tigers are recorded as inhabiting lowland forests, scrub forests, and may also roam into gardens around villages, because at one time this animal was considered a pest so that many people hunted or poisoned it. Its roaming area does not exceed an altitude of 1,200 meters above sea level. This tiger usually preys on wild boar, Javan deer, banteng, and sometimes also reptiles and water birds.